Alright guys, here are the guns, the NURF guns. I think I showed you this one already. Look at that one. That's probably like $30-40 on eBay. But I think I'm going to lock them all up and sell them here. Look at that one. You guys see? Got this one. Got another one of these. This one's missing something on top. I guess there's a loader, a top loader, right? Another one of these. There's a green one. So that's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far. And then this one. This one's kind of jammed, but I think you have to pump it. Okay. Got a green one. Ooh. I don't know if this is NURF. I don't know, is this a NURF one, guys? I don't see NURF. Oh well. Let's see if that's a NURF or not. But then here, got this one. I don't know how this one works, but it's a NURF. Right? Okay, I got a little. I actually have a couple, like 2 purple ones of these. Might like just put these all together. Put the little ones together. I got some NURF goggles. Another NURF. This one, I think there's the others. There's some stuck in there, but I played with these at the yard, at the garage sale. This was the estate. Got some ammo loaders. This one probably goes to one of these. Here's another one. Oh, I just shot into my car. And then this one. Look at this one. I don't know what this one does. But look at that. This shoots disc. This is not a NURF. Whoa, we just shot something. I don't know if it shot a disc or what. But more ammo. Or ammo loader. Another gun. These have these. I think he said they're the wrong size. And then I got this. Guys, tell me what this is. Where is this sword from? Look at that. And I got a bunch. Oh look, there's the disc. I'll have to look that up. But I think I'm gonna lock these up. I got more. So I'm just gonna say $200 for best offer. And see who comes up with it. Because I mean, this is what? 1, 2, actually that's 3 right now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look at this. This one's cool. This one has a laser sight. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see. Yeah, this one has like a laser sight. Tell me that's not cool. So 9, 10, 11, 12. The goggles. And wait, hold on. Let me. Oh, 12, 13. But we don't know if this is a NURF or not. I don't know what that shoots. Oh, this shoots the disc too, I think. 13. Let me know if you guys know what this one is. 13. Okay, hold on. So we counted 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 NURF guns that I have here. And I got probably like 5 more in the house. So 20. So I'm going to say $200 the best offer. What do you guys think? 20 NURF guns is pretty cool, right? Alright guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following. Go to my YouTube, Vegas Adventure 702. Everybody on the Instagram, thank you. And I started doing the TikTok a little bit, but it's all the same. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.